In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the best way and the easiest way to download YouTube app on your PC or laptop. Now this is the best, like I said. Now if you go to your Microsoft Store and you search for YouTube, like I did this before making this video. I was searching for YouTube so that I can show you guys how you can download the YouTube app on Microsoft Store. But the problem is there is no YouTube app here. I don't know why. It's crazy how YouTube doesn't have the YouTube app on the Microsoft Store. You can download a lot of apps here, but you can't find the YouTube app. So there is no way to download the YouTube app on Microsoft Store. So the best way I have found right now is to like click on this X and close this, and you want to go to your Google Chrome. Okay. I don't know if this works on other browsers like Firefox or like Brave, but it works 100% on Google Chrome. Now you wanna search for YouTube. Now this is how you can install YouTube app. Okay, now after you search, make sure you are on the home page of YouTube, and it says here youtube.com. now after you are on this page, you want to click on these three little dots in the top right. Okay, these three little dots, and as you can see here guys, you can see install YouTube. Okay, if you don't see install YouTube, that means you don't have here, like you didn't search for youtube.com. First search for youtube.com, and you want to click on install app and click on install, and you want to close this. And now if you go to your where you can see the apps that you have downloaded, you can see now YouTube here. Now the moment you click on YouTube, you can then use YouTube app. Okay, on your PC you can then search for anything. So I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.